In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Player 2 on Fortnite Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fortnite on the Xbox or any other platform supports split screen. Of course, you will need an additional controller, and I'm gonna give you the instructions to set this up. This will allow you and Player 2 to share the same screen on the same console. You can queue for the standard Battle Royale modes, and it is incredibly simple to set up. Like I said before, the main requirement is an additional controller. To connect it, you can either use a cable, so you plug it into any of the available ports on your console, and as long as that part is working, it will be detected. Or if you want to use the most convenient option, press the synchronize button at the back of the controller. Then press the synchronize button on the console itself. So in this example here, it's on the Xbox Series X. You can see that it is above the USB port. So you press and hold both of these buttons between a few seconds, and they will automatically connect between themselves. Of course, the synchronize button is going to be different between each console, so just look around until you find it. It could be on the side, it could be on the top, and once you press and hold the synchronize button for a few seconds and you do the same with the controller, they will pair up together. The controller should be detected, you will see it light up, and now when you get inside of a lobby and you look at the bottom right, you will see the usual options, but you will see this one as well. So alongside the option to do an emote, chat, and go back, you will see log in hold. So all that you have to do now is hold the Y button on the secondary controller. This will prompt split screen mode to start. So upon pressing and holding the respective button displayed here, you will be asked to sign into an account. So you will have the first profile for player 1 and then the additional ones that you've created. If you have never made a profile before, go into the option to add a new profile and then choose it after you are done creating it. It can also be a guest profile, however, it is recommended to open Fortnite at least once in this new profile just to make sure that everything works. So if you encounter problems while trying to do this, log into the additional profile that you created and open Fortnite once. Then you can repeat this whole process and it should work. You need to assign an account to the additional controller in order to do split screen. After they appear in the lobby, just queue for any of your favorite modes. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Player 2 on Fortnite Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.